Hi everyone, I'm Martin and welcome to Astronomy for Beginners. Today I'm going to show you a guide on how to locate comets using Stellarium. Now obviously the big event at the moment coming up is the almighty Comet ISON. Now obviously when you first use Stellarium is that you'll probably find that when you do try and use a quick search, you just cannot find ISON at all. What you have to do is you have to update the Stellarium by the database, and you have to preload this database of comets so that once it's on there you'll be able to find it. Okay, so first off you got to do is you've got to have a Stellarium program already installed into your computer. Obviously the Stellarium is already set at my location, so basically what we're going to do is we go into this at the side, we go into the tab saying configuration window, you put your pointer to plugins, then highlight solar system editor. Once highlighted, press configure. Ignore all this, go into solar system. Now you notice that I've got a series of database of all the objects in there. I have got some comets, but I haven't got ISON. So what we do is go to this tab here called Import Orbital Elements in MPC format. Then it gives you a list. It says select the type, click comets, click the other tab here, it says download a list of objects from the internet, click that. Now you don't need a URL, click on select bookmark, and select MPC's list of observable comets. Once selected, get orbital elements. Then it gives you a list. Now obviously I've got already a list there, but basically what I do is if I want to update certain comets, I just highlight the buttons here, alright, for the comets that I want. Now as you scroll down, ISON is also in this list as well somewhere. There it is, there's ISON there, alright, C-2012 S1, so ISON's in there. But what we want to do is, if you want all the comets, you can highlight all of them, or press mark all. Basically it will highlight all the comets you need. Once in there, you then press add objects. Now hopefully that is added all the stuff in there. Get out of that, and then what we're going to do is, once it's all done, it's updated the comets, we're going to select window. Now obviously the sky is a bit bright, so we go to the bottom tab here and we're just going to dim the sun so you can see the stars, and then start putting your constellations here, and then go into this tab. Now you can't just type in ISON, it just cannot find it. So basically what you have to do is you have to type in the actual serial code, and then you get a list of data coming up. So you get that. So you type in C-2012 space S1. Here you'll see the highlighted bit that says ISON. Okay, that's the comet you're looking for. You then press this button here. Obviously it doesn't appear to show up, Now basically it's not in view, but what I will do is I will speed up, go to the bottom tab here, and I'm going to, it can either go up or down. It seems it can't find it, so obviously you can't find it that way. Okay, it's not a drama. However, I just have to speed it up. Now if you can't find it, just do a quick zoom on this thing, because it's quite right. So do a quick zoom. I've clicked over it. So basically I'll go and quick search again, type in C-2012 space S1. So we'll go to ISON. Now it's showing that ISON is somewhere in that region, so I'll just zoom in, and there you go. Right, I've got ISON here. Now if it doesn't work that way, you can also go to Sky and View Options window, click on there, and just put it to light pollution 1. So basically it gives you the maximum thing. So as you zoom out, it looks okay. So there's the position of ISON. Now this is during the morning and where the sun's up and it's not going to be there. So obviously I'm going to skip that, and I'm going to set the time and date, so when ISON will be up. Now I know that ISON will be up around about, it's quite early for me, so round about this time, 5:45, here is position at ISON already. Okay, so now that basically gives me the location of ISON, just here. Alright, so I've got location at ISON just there. The only trouble about Stellarium, it doesn't actually physically show you what the comet looks like. Okay, but now it gives, if you look at this screen here, it'll give me the RA and DE declination axis of the position where ISON is. So at the moment here is quite close to Specker, the bright star in Virgo. So basically it's quite low. It is quite low on the thing, but it's now visible. So basically now what we've done now, we've programmed Stellarium now to find ISON. Alright, and that's how you do it. Okay, now obviously this is the only way you can do it. You can also, if you go here and go over quick search, because you've updated the Comet database, you can even find Lovejoy. So if you type in the coordinates like this, C-2013 R1, it will find you Lovejoy. And then Lovejoy, now obviously if it doesn't appear, you just zoom in until Lovejoy appears on screen, and then basically it gives you the position where Lovejoy is. Okay, so that's where Lovejoy is. Alright, and it gives you the position there with your coordinates. Very handy tool, and it helps you a great deal, especially if you want to observe. Alright, see, fantastic little device. Alright, and hopefully, I hope this helps you, everyone. Please feel free to comment. Hope for the best. We get to see some great images of ISON, the comet. Alright, at the moment where I live it's a bit difficult, but try and get some good, if your location is that, I'm sure in the UK you should be able to get a good view of it. So please get some awesome images, and let us know if you've managed to spot ISON. Alright, so I hope this helps you a great deal, and thanks again, thanks for watching, and hopefully clear skies and good luck on finding ISON.